On today's streets, endless distractions are everywhere you look. Introducing the lighted Crosswalk Bollard, a new product from the team at Reliance Foundry designed to make high-risk intersections a whole lot safer. Integrating with traffic lights and coordinated with walk signals, these bollards display green, yellow, and red lights to direct pedestrians, and a lower sightline increases visibility for pedestrians occupied with cell phones, pets, or other distractions. Made from polyurethane, these bollards are flexible and will cause no damage to either the bollard or vehicle upon impact. However, a solid appearance encourages drivers to take extra precautions. The bollard is simple to install and just as easy to replace when needed. The features of the bollard work to increase visibility with bright LED lights, reflective tape, and optional glass reflectors installed on the base. Contact us at www.reliance-foundry.com for more product information and learn how you can take the risk out of your high-risk intersections today.